Setting up visual voicemail on Android for the first time. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Press the phone button. Make sure it's on keypad. Go to this 3 buttons up top here. Click on that. Hit visual voicemail. Visual voicemail. Permission needed. I have to allow the app for permissions. Tap below, then tap allow. So, tap below. Continue, maybe? Allow visual voicemail to find, connect, and determine relative position of your My Devices. Okay, allow. And here I have to hit continue. Allow visual voicemail access video. Allow. Here's the terms and conditions. Accept. Please wait while we check your account information. Setup completion. Your account has been configured successfully. From the app settings menu, you can change your voicemail greeting and other preferences. Okay. Great. Visual voicemail. Yep. And here's all these unsaved messages. Your business. Press 1 to verify your business. I've been getting this is the reason I'm setting this up, because I've been getting these like ridiculous numbers every day. So here I can press it. I can go here. Oh, that's not what I want to do. I want to delete that one. Delete. All right, so this one I can go press it. It gives me like a translation. I can play it if I want. Okay, and then here I can just hit trash. And down here, hit delete. And I can get rid of all those annoying voicemails, just like that. I don't have to dial in. That's great.
It's like sometimes I get a lot of spam through text messages, and they automatically put it into a spam folder.
I have been having that happen, and that's nice. But the voicemails are really I've really hijacked my phone. So this is going to be great, because now I don't have to call voicemail to delete them. I can just delete them here, which is awesome. Yeah. All right, cool. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Love you, baby.
Hope this helps somebody out there in the world too, because that is really going to change my life.